Hi, and welcome to Big Dog Finds. This is a 2000 Flair Showcase. Noise of the Summer, number 7. This is Pedro Martinez, PSA 10, population 5, very low. This is a great addition to your collection. Here's the back. This is PSA graded. If you're interested in this piece, let me know. You can find me on Big Dog Finds on eBay, Big Dog Finds on YouTube, Big Dog Finds on Whatnot, and Big Dog Finds on TikTok. If you're interested in this piece, this is going for $65 today. Population 5, PSA 10 graded, perfect mint condition. This is a showcase noise of the summer. Pedro Martinez. Hit me up if you're interested.